India. India's commercial capital is Mumbai. Mumbai has evolved into a global financial hub, and Mumbai is the sixth most populous metropolitan area in the world, with the population over 23 million. That's why there are many high-rise buildings. One of them, a Kanchenjunga apartment. Location. Location of Kanchenjunga apartment is in the southwest side of the Mumbai and the western side of the India. It's basically located in Bomanji Petik Marg, Kumbala Hill, Mumbai. The climatic condition of Mumbai. Basically, Mumbai is come in the hot and humid climatic zone of India. Average temperature is 29 degrees Celsius, which is 84.2 Fahrenheit. The maximum temperature is 38.6 degrees Celsius to 41 degrees Celsius in the summer, June and May. The minimum temperature is 16 degrees Celsius to 17 degrees Celsius in December and January. The annual rainfall is 2012 mm. Structure of Kanchenjunga apartment. Kanchenjunga apartment is a high-rise building with the 83.82 meter height with 28 story and 32 luxury apartment with 3 to 6 bedroom to each. The Kanchenjunga apartment is modern architecture style and brutalist architecture style. And the Kanchenjunga apartment is basically 21 meter by 21 meter square plan. Construction and material of Kanchenjunga apartment. The Kanchenjunga apartment built to start in 1970 and completed in 1974. The architect of the Kanchenjunga apartment is Charles Correa and team, and the structural engineers are Shirish Patel and construction. The construction is done by concrete, which is reinforcement cement concrete with 28 story building with concrete structure 6.3 meter cantilever beam. As a part of material, brick masonry has been used. Concept of Kanchenjunga apartment. Charles Correa followed the climate in the Kanchenjunga apartment. Basically, the shape of the building is responding to the climatic issue and the response to a present culture escalating urbanization for the region. Another concept is use two levels for the different size apartment, which is two levels at one end and one level at another end. Feature of Kanchenjunga apartment. The first is a building has to be oriented east-west to catch the prevailing sea breezes and to open up the best view of the city. Another feature is the basic interlock is that of a 3 and 4 bedroom apartment with the larger flat form. Next is the structure is built around a central service core which was constructed first. Another feature is each of the flat have larger usable garden terrace which have dramatic city view. Which is terrace garden was not only protect the living room from the sun and the rain but also actually thrive on them. And the combining climatic consideration with that of view is settled upon a configuration of interlocking unit which face east and west. The garden terrace actually a modern interpretation of the feature of traditional Indian bungalows with the veranda. Each apartment provided with a deep 2-story high garden terrace. Plans analysis. These are the floor plans of the Kanchenjunga apartment. There are different 4 units of the floor plans. The building have been planned in east and west orientation, with west side of the building have sea and east side have view of the city, which playing dynamic role from the building. The orientation towards hot sun and heavy rain, which is not a give a positive value, but they provide veranda, which is a covering the cool breeze and giving comfort the living. And this is the one of the best work of Charles Correa. If you like our work, then like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.